Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the Laravel CLI. What is the Laravel CLI? Laravel CLI or command line interface is a set of tools provided by the Laravel framework that allows developers to interact with their Laravel application through the command line. It provides commands for tasks such as creating controllers, models, migrations, front-end migrations, generating boilerplate code, managing dependencies, and more, thereby streamlining development workflow and boosting productivity. So in this lessons, we're going to go ahead and explore the list of available Laravel commands, which you can access via the Laravel terminal. So you can either come to the view and go ahead and click on terminal. A terminal will appear down below here, or you can as well access it by going through your project root folder, and then after opening the root folder, then go ahead and click the path field here above and type in cmd and then hit enter. A command prompt will appear and with the path to your project, which in our case here we are inside the Laravel fundamentals project. So from here you can go ahead and type in the following command: php artisan, and then hit enter. So the php artisan command above here, as you can see, gave us the whole list of available Laravel CLI commands. Here you can see the commands and the description of what they do exactly. We have commands such as about, clear compiled, completion, db docs, down, env or environment variable, help, inspire list. We have alt commands, we have catch commands, we have channel, we have config, we have db for database, we have environment variable, env, decrypt, encrypt, we have event, we have install, we have key, we have lan, we have make commands. Here we have a whole bunch of make commands here. We have migrate, model, optimize, package queue, route, sale, schedule, schema, storage, stop, vendor, view, and that's it for the commands. So let's go and test something. Let's go and see what this command does. For instance, here in the description it says it display basic information about your application. So let's go ahead and see that. So let's go down below and type in php artisan about and then hit enter. Let's go and see. Yes, it of course gave us the basic information about this application that we installed on our local machine, which the application name it says is Laravel, which if you come over here, then go ahead and close this terminal. We don't need it since we are running it on the command prompt. If you come above here, you see the app name is Laravel, of course, and then it says Laravel version 11.7.0. So as you can see, it gave us information about Laravel application. So let's go ahead and test another one and see. Let's say apart from let's go ahead and test this docs. Let's say php artisan docs. Hit enter. It says which page will you like to open. Let me just go ahead and hit enter again, and then it's going to take me straight to the Laravel documentation site, which is very good. As you can see, take us straight to the Laravel 11 documentation page. Alright, let me go ahead and test another command. Let me see. Yeah, let me go ahead and try this make command. First of all, let me go ahead and show you the controllers folder. As we've explained in our previous lesson, when you go to app http inside controllers, you have controllers. You can go ahead and create your controller manually, but with the Artisan command here, let's go ahead and see how we can create a controller with the Artisan make command. So as you can see, we have a default controller here, a controller.php. So let me go ahead and try to make one with the Artisan command. This is actually a very powerful CLI, command line interface in Laravel. It will really help in facilitating your development process. So let's go ahead and say php artisan make controller. Then go ahead and specify the controller name. Then go ahead and say user controller. And then hit enter. As you can see, after hitting enter, it gives me a response that inside my htxampp folder, htdocs Laravel fundamentals app http, which is this subfolder within our project, app inside http, which is here, http controllers user controller created successfully. So this is how easy it is for you to create a controller. And there's one more thing I wanted to share with you. In case if you don't understand what a command actually does in Laravel, you can as well go ahead and use the help command to see exactly what a specific command actually does. Let's say, for instance, you do not understand what the make controller command does. You can simply come over here and type in php artisan make controller, and then either type in hyphen help in full, or simply type in -h for help, and then hit enter. It's going to go ahead and give you a description of what the command does, which is it create a new controller class, and then the usage, how you're going to use the command. That is, after type in php artisan, then you go ahead and give space, make controller, and then provide the controller's name, as you see me do just recently. So I think this is very, very helpful and very powerful as well. You can always come back here for reference purpose in case if you forgot or you wanted to learn about any command in Laravel. So that will be it for this lesson. I hope you enjoy and also take away something from the lessons, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.